Benito hustles in. Casuta got blocked. It's Benito. Inside pass to Wheeler. That won't go on that shot. It's AK Aquila. Here's Enobal. Again. Yes, we are tied by 35. Aguon. Pass it outside. The shot is in for AK Aquila. 2-2, a 7-0 run for the Panthers. Alcantara. Agustin fakes a 3. 16. Great defensive display. Jola, the layup is no good. There's Johnson. Alcantara with the ball. Alcantara outside to Rutland. Has to Bundalian out the corner to Alcantara. Back to Bundalian. Alcantara. The shot is no good. The 3 ball. Montecillo tumasakayan. Montecillo drive. Loses the ball. Aquila. Masakayan. Cornelius strikes a 3. Cornelius a 3. Oh, what a great pass ahead. Is Noah. Kilio, shot denied. Arjun Boy Kambal. Cornelius blocked away. CJ has it his side. Montecillo, the pass to Pible got blocked away. Menes, layup is good. Buzzer is good on that 2-footer. And a counter steal. Aquila with it.
Aguila corner 3. No! Pasok yan. Long hit. Aguila. Oh, hang time. Foul on number 8. Ebenezer Edu. Aguila. First basket is good. 2 points. Or 2 for 2 for Aguila. Malyari. Scoop layup. No. Wala pa rin. Oh, top by number 8. Edu. Pass to Santos. Block. Aguila, nice pass. Still by Auger. Tatakbo. Ito si number 44. No. Rebound to Aguila. Corner 3. Basket. Asuncion. Successful still. And nice. Three minutes. Aguila once again. This time, pumasok na naman ang tira doon ni Aguila. Power All 99. Get only Facebook or only TikTok plus 10 gigabytes.
Nice! 23 po ang Phil Nation. Alas. Hey! Hey! Nice one, AK! Uy! Please!
80 seconds.
Nice one! Oh! Nice one! 1-4-3, no good. Rebound, makukuha. Number 17, but there's a foul. Number 47, steal. Bounce pass. Ooh, steal. Number 7, uy. Out of bounds. 4. Atake, juice in the glass, no good. Rebound, mapupunta ang bola sa Phil Abu Dhabi. Bola ng Phil Abu Dhabi. Ayun na, number 47, and that's a board, no good. Rebound, mapupunta sa mga nakaputi. To number 28, with a jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 34. Uy, out of 3 point para kay jersey number 21 of the DN Steel, Pampanga. Ayun na, uy, para sa Phil Abu Dhabi Nation. Short, rebound by number 7. Ayun na, outlet pass to number 13. Out of bounds. Rebound by number 69 sa Malaksak. Pass to number 1, top of the key. Tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by... Uy, munti ka na magawan, but there's a foul. Number 61. Babawi sa 3, no good. Rebound. Number 47. Ito ng Phil Abu Dhabi Nation. Ayan na. Oh, steal. Number 33. Bounce pass. Number 13. And there's a... Number 1 with the ball. Binigay sa corner. Number 47. 4-3. Ian steal. Pampanga. Number 29. Oh, steal. Binigay sa corner. Low to block.